Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yais. I'm a professional hairstylist. Today I will be going over 3 styling tips for healthy, beautiful hair. Let's jump right in. Number 1, if you're like me and you don't wash your hair every single day, then in the morning when you're restyling your hair, trying to get it back to looking good, looking fabulous again after you've slept on it, looks a little funky, use a heat protectant. So even on those days where your hair's already dry, semi-styled, and you're gonna go in with your curling iron, or you're gonna go in with your flat iron, or with your blow dryer just to sort of restyle those pieces, use a heat protectant. Find one that you can use on wet or dry hair, spritz that in, and then go ahead and restyle your hair with your hot tool. And there you go. Your hair is fresh, it's styled again, and there is no damage. Number 2. Use a nozzle on your blow dryer. The purpose of those attachments that come with your blow dryer is to make your life easier. So how does this work exactly? Well, usually these nozzles have a thin edge. So what that edge does is that it allows the heat of the blow dryer to hit a specific section of hair, giving you a smoother finish. Some nozzles are super thin. These are specifically designed to straighten the hair, while others are a little bit wider, and that will give you a little bit more volume, a little bit more bounce. So use those attachments. Number 3, keep your heat setting on medium. This is very important. I've heard some clients and guests say, oh, I like to keep my curling iron or my flat iron at 350 to 400. We are not baking a cake. If you don't want the damage that comes with putting a little bit too much heat on your hair, then you've got to turn that heat setting down, girl. You gotta turn it down. Many people don't know this, but a blow dryer can cause just as much damage as a flat iron, a curling iron, or a wand. So just pay attention to how hot your tools are when styling your hair. Well, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more videos like these, please give it a thumbs up, comment your thoughts below, make sure to subscribe and hit that little bell. I believe it's on the right-hand corner. That way you are notified when I upload my next video. See you next time.